Hi everyone, welcome to Energy Wellness Products. My name's Mara and I wanted to welcome you to the channel and give you an update a little bit about what's going on. In May of this year, 2025, HT decided to cease sales of the Silky products in the USA. So Energy Wellness Products and myself have been going through a little transition, and we're going to be transitioning to workshops, wellness programs, and working with me one-on-one. Many of you know that I've helped hundreds, maybe even thousands of people regain their wellness over the past 20 years, and I'm going to continue to do that by offering programs, workshops, and products. So I am a certified natural health professional, herbalist, aromatherapist, and holistic health coach, and my focus is going to be on improving gut health to reduce chronic pain from CRPS and help people with metabolic syndrome who are in midlife needing to reset, focusing on the gut. So I hope that makes sense. Be patient with me. In October, I'll be resuming my bi-monthly videos on natural health remedies. We're going to be adding some new stuff on gut health, the nervous system, chronic pain, metabolic syndrome, but I'm going to continue in a holistic and natural way. So stick with me, and thanks for your support.